What's up, guys? I just want to do a little video on why balisongs are illegal. They're not illegal everywhere. In my state, as far as I know, they're illegal or legal to own, but illegal to carry. Yeah, and I honestly don't understand it. Like, why is this any more dangerous than that, say? When honestly I could get this out of my pocket faster. If with training, I bet anybody could get a normal folding knife faster out of the pocket than a balisong. I honestly don't understand it. I think it's really stupid and very pointless. Like, okay, let's say I was just right here, I had it unlatched and right at my side. Okay, from here, open. Okay, that's pretty fast, right? Well, let's say from right here, open. That's even faster. So I don't understand why. And this goes from completely closed, open, and completely locked. So that's not coming back into my fingers very easily, at least. This, once you do that, do the fast draw, it's still not latched and could close or something happen, you know. I'm really mad at the old 50s movies or whatever that got people scared. Because in my opinion, this is no more dangerous than that. Or any other folding knife, for that matter. Or fixed blade. Obviously, fixed blade could do more damage than this, but fixed blades are more legal, generally, than balisongs. So, I just don't get it. And please leave comments on your opinions about the legality of butterfly knives. And thanks for watching.